A cluttered and disorganized woodworking shop can be frustrating, time-consuming, and even dangerous. In this video, we'll be covering the basics of setting up and organizing your woodworking shop for maximum efficiency and safety. One of the most important things you can do to organize your shop is to hang your tools on a pegboard or a wall-mounted tool rack. This will keep your tools within easy reach and prevent them from getting lost or damaged. Another great way to organize your shop is to use a mobile tool cabinet. This type of cabinet allows you to move your tools around the shop as needed, and it can also be used as a work surface. Rolling storage carts can be very useful for storing and transporting materials, such as lumber and sheet goods, around the shop. They make it easy to move the materials around and keep them organized. Remember, a cluttered and disorganized woodworking shop can be frustrating, time-consuming, and even dangerous. By setting up and organizing your shop correctly, you can work more efficiently and safely and create beautiful and functional pieces of woodwork. Check the description below to become a master woodworker without ever leaving your home. Happy woodworking!